Welcome, from me is a SONY Xperia 1, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So to get started, open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just going to use the, let's say, app tray right here. And once you have it open, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down, both of them at the same time. You'll get this animation, and that's how you capture a screenshot. And also, sometimes you have a toggle right over here somewhere, but it looks like it's not the case right on this device. So whenever you capture a screenshot, it then can be found in your photo gallery. So let's just open that up. And there we go. So there is the screenshot, as you can see. So that is how you capture it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.